Hey, Mr. Ruben, I heard that if my child is 16 years old, he or she can dictate exactly what they want to do, and if they don't want to go to visitation anymore, is that true? Is that how it works in the state of Maryland? People ask me that question all the time. You know, how old does a child have to be in order to have a say or actually dictate how much visitation they're going to have? The answer is, like many lawyer questions, it depends. There are some states that say, hey, if a child's over 14, he or she gets the final say. In Maryland, if a child's over 16, that child actually gets to file, if they want to, for custody of themselves, which kind of indicates that if you're over 16, 17 years old, a child's going to do what he or she wants to do. What happens between the ages of 12, 13, 14, 15? And the answer is, and all the judges will say, well, we're getting there, but it's a level of maturity. Some 15-year-old kids are as mature as a 9-year-old kid should be, and they're not going to have a say because they're going to say, I want to live with my mom because she lets me play video games all day long, and therefore that's what I want to do. Well, a judge isn't going to take that seriously. Or a 13-year-old child who may have the maturity level of an ordinary 16-year-old might give really good reasons as to why he or she wants to live with one spouse and not the other. So the answer is it all depends. And the only way to really find out what a judge would do or whether or not it's worth pursuing or whether it's a modification or an initial custody case is to speak to a lawyer like me or any family law lawyer that has a lot of experience and ask these questions, because every case is fact-specific in Maryland. Every child is different. Every household is different. Every family dynamic is different. And I can't stress that enough for all custody cases. Well, Mr. Ruben, do judges give custody to women? The answer is every case is different and every judge in Maryland, and when it comes to, does different things, and when it comes to preference of a child, that's what you're talking about, it just depends on the circumstances.